Make like a brother fulfilled.
Yes.
Coming back.
Thank you. I appreciate it. How's everyone doing this evening?
Good.
Well, thank you so much for having us. Please, if you don't mind, to let us sit down and do this whole thing. It would be just wonderful for me. My heels are this high, so I'd like to sit down if you don't mind. Again, as he said, my name is SHEVA Sims. I am honored this evening to be accompanied by some wonderful people who actually care about the community. It's nice when people after 5 go to the community and do stuff after work. Because a lot of times, you know, y'all know how it is when you're at work, you're tired, when you get home at 5:01, you're ready to pull that lever and just go home and lay down, right? But to my left is the Honorable Pamela Latier. She has graced me with her presence tonight. I'm honored that she cares enough about the community. She's doing other things at Shreveport City Court as well as accompanying me here. And so if y'all have any hard questions, ask her. I'm the baby of the bunch. But if y'all don't mind, please give Judge Latier a hand. Of course, ladies are always first, right, Marshall? Right. And the beautiful lady to the right of me is Miss Marilyn Smith. She is the interim judicial administrator and clerk of court for Shreveport City Court. She's the lady in charge. Say yay, man. Say yay. Would y'all please give Miss Smith a I always have to tell people at this juncture I cannot give legal advice anymore, even though people still want to ask me those questions. But Ms. Smith is here to clear up some things that I cannot answer at this juncture. And if I do, Judge Latier is going to admonish me, so I have to do the right thing and not answer the things that I cannot answer. But we're here to share a wealth of information with you. And to the right of me, I think you already know who this guy is.
Marshall.
Anybody not know Marshall Caldwell? Please give him a hand. I want to start off, if y'all don't mind, with Marshall Caldwell first this evening, because he's doing a lot of great things in the Marshal's office with regard to, from my perspective, a number of things, but specifically the amnesty program that I personally care about. I'm sure he cares about other things in his office, but I care about the amnesty program. So I'm going to ask if he would start off with his introduction and then go to the amnesty program and anything else that he wants to do. And I'm going to give him 5 minutes to do it. How are y'all doing? If anyone has not signed up, thank you, sir. I appreciate it. If you have not signed in, please just raise your hand if you don't mind. Thank you, sir. Marshall Caldwell. Okay, 6 minutes.
Oh, yes, ma'am. How's everybody this afternoon?
All right.
Thank you all for having me here. I accompany Judge Sims on a couple of different endeavors that she's planned for the communities. I'm the Marshal of Shreveport. Our election terms are 6 years in the city of Shreveport. Citywide elections, ladies and gentlemen. I'm the executive officer of the court for Shreveport City Court. Our jurisdiction encompasses the entire city of Shreveport and part of the parish, which is Ward 4 of Cattle Parish. I've been in law enforcement for approximately 25 years.
Ooh, he's old.
Yes. And so I've been through the ranks at several different, departments. A couple of different departments, put it like that, ladies and gentlemen. But I've been in martial law for 20 years. Started ground zero as a deputy back in 1992.
Can y'all hear him in the back?
No.
I didn't think so. I'm right here.
Y'all want him to stand up?
Ladies and gentlemen, my voice there. I started in 1992 at the Marshal's office. I come from the Sheriff's Department. I started over at the Sheriff's Department back in 1988. And so I've worked my way on up through the ranks at the Shreveport City Marshal's office. Started in 92 at the Marshal's office as a deputy marshal. Worked my way on through the ranks, worked every different part of the Marshal's office, for the civil department, for the criminal department, for warrants, for seizures, garnishments, you name it. Every department we have, administration, and the bond department. I've worked every aspect of it. Started as a deputy marshal, went from deputy marshal to chief deputy, from chief deputy to appointed as the marshal by my predecessor, Jimmy Dove. Jimmy Dove appointed me as a marshal. Matter of fact, ladies and gentlemen, the first African-American marshal in the city of Shreveport since the history of Shreveport. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much. Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. I am the youngest ever in that office. I am the first ever to have a college degree in this position, and I am the first black. So that makes it really good, and that's the way we want to keep it. You know, that's the way we want to keep it, ladies and gentlemen. You know, the knowledge has been there for a long time, ladies and gentlemen, but you know, now we're finally getting our just of justice on what we're looking for the Marshal's Office. We do a lot of things in the Marshal's Office. I brought in a lot of different programs to the Marshal's Office. I've started, me, my chief deputy, along with the judges, we've started a lot of different things in the Marshal's Office, and of course the amnesty program. I started, when I first started as the interim marshal, I started the amnesty program. We've gotten involved in a lot of different things that we never have been involved in, of course the Marshal's Office is concerned also. With the amnesty program, I felt that individuals in the community need a little bit of help. Need a little bit of, you know, because you got a lot of individuals that have warrants for their arrest. They're scared to come up to the Marshal's Office by fear of being arrested. So, I do a yearly amnesty deal. And what I do, I try to do it close to tax time, but that's when we have our bulk of money. Am I right? Wow. So what I do, I get with individuals that around the tax time, around February, the end of February, something like that, you know, the wrapping thing is there, and I try to get them before they get the rims and the paint on the cars and all that stuff. Try to get them early and take care of your business, you know, you know, so you won't, you know, have to linger and be in trouble. And my main thing is, I'd rather take care of all my business, something that especially is going to land me in jail. If I can take care of that, you know, I think I'll be better prepared than I can go and do whatever I have to do. Because the money that they'll spend down there won't average up to the money that they're going to go out there and spend. I would call it frivolously, but they probably wouldn't. It's probably what they enjoy. But then again, I'm going to take care of the thing that's going to take care of me. Then again, we do it. Suspending all of the contempt fees on the outstanding warrants, and the contempt fees can get up into the hundreds of dollars on several different occasions it has. And what we'll do, we'll suspend that, give them that ease, and if they have any warrants, what we'll do, we'll recall those warrants, no strings attached from recalling those warrants, and then from there, give them a clean slate. We reiterate the information in the computer that they have in the computer. It may be old information, so what we're doing, we're trying to update new information on the individuals to find out where they stay and whatever. We really rather them pay it in full at that time. That's the purpose of the amnesty program. But then again, if they don't, we'll still make payment arrangements, but they're going to have to bring some money at that time of the amnesty, and we'll work, you know, payment arrangements out with them. Like I say, yes, like I say, we do it once, you know, and we got several different programs going. We got the reading program with the reading out loud, reading is fundamental, read across America. We got different things like that. We got the mentoring programs going on in the Marshal's Office. We have the internship with Southern University, Career Technical College, Remington College. We got a lot of things that's new, that's never been implemented in the city of Shreveport for the Marshal's Office, but we're getting involved. National Night Out every year. We're there. It's just a lot of engagements, but I'm everywhere, ladies and gentlemen. And thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen, from the Marshal's Office.
All right.